I heard about Coral Wall workshop in the newsletter sent by our colleagues at work. I really felt connected with the values the Coral Watch stands for, and I would like to create a positive change like everyone else around us, to make this planet a happy place for us to live. It's such a privilege to be here to learn from the best and passionate scientists about the reef and the preservation of this beautiful ecosystem we are all interconnected with. The key message for me is that you are powerful. You can change and you can create the change. You can influence the other people, make a shift in behaviors, and hopefully we can all contribute to a better planet we live on. You can still do things to preserve the Great Barrier Reef. It's not because one particular coral on this reef that is gonna die. We can actually do something to preserve the reef for our next generations.